I'm Andrea Davis. My company is Ballyhoo Concepts. Predominantly, I'm a branding solution specialist. I do logo and branded merchandise. Some years back, my husband and myself had the good fortune of surviving a sinking cruise ship accident where we had no choice but to sink or swim. We were going down with the sinking ship. And need I say, the rest is history. Yeah, the trials and tribulations have turned our lives around. I subsequently wrote a book, went back to the island to thank our rescuers who saved our lives and brought us home, and I've had a different outlook on life since. People love to hear and to share, and I've got so much appreciation for community, for volunteerism, for resilience, for overcoming PTSD, mental health, wellness, life, right? In my promotional and branding career, I work a lot with companies who have a social and sustainable focus. I do whatever possible to allow my clients to present something that's not going to land up in the landfills. There's so much right now, from working with apple core and peel and wheat husks and repurposed PET water bottles. And as long as there's a will, there's a way. I do whatever possible to allow my clients to have the gift of presenting something that doesn't go to the landfills. Of course, what can we say on a day like today? My challenges are, of course, budgets, economy, oil and gas in Calgary, in Alberta, and Corona. My personal challenges in business are convincing a client that I'm as good as a huge big company, if not better. I'm self-employed, I've got a small business in Calgary. I've been incorporated for close to 20 years. I am of a different generation to the average person who's proud to call themselves my client. I'm possibly a little challenged with technology, doing things the way bigger companies do, but I don't take it as a challenge. I take it as an opportunity for people to know me for who I am and do what I do best. For me, it's not about doing it all the IT world. It's that real old school connection, which is important to me. What can I say? Possibly spending the next few weeks cleaning up my database, my basement, and getting to know my family.